In this Canva tutorial, let's take a look at how to set up slide duration during autoplay. So if we have a presentation, multiple slides, and we want that presentation to autoplay, we can set a duration on each slide before it goes to the next slide. To do this, I'm going to show my pages here at the bottom of my Canva window. And now I see I have 3 different slides. And what I can do is get into the duration editing mode by clicking on this duration button down here. And we can see that there's going to be some kind of default duration on each slide. In this case, it's 5 seconds. So I can actually click on that duration and it will show up here. And this setting kind of has always been up here, editing the timing of your slides. So you could come up here and click it as well. But if I wanted this to skip ahead every, let's say 3 seconds, I could do that. Now you'll see that it edits only the slide that I'm editing, the slide that I'm on. So if I want to apply it to all pages, I can actually just check mark this button right here to apply that duration to every slide in my presentation. And so now I have 3 seconds applied to every slide. When you view this presentation, however, you do need to select autoplay. So if we go up to present, if we just present in full screen, it won't autoplay. But if we do select autoplay right here, it will, and we've set our durations already. So we can hit present with autoplay selected, and then every 3 seconds, this slide is going to advance forward. And it actually won't even stop at the end, so you'll have to stop that if you want to, but it'll advance back to the beginning and kind of just go through on a loop. And so that's good for slideshows. It's also good for presentations that run, maybe if you're running something at like a trade show or something on a screen that you want to kind of continuously go back and forth. Now you can always pause this just by coming down here and pressing the autoplay pause button, and then you can advance through your slides if you want to. So if you wanted to autoplay an actual presentation and then pause it at the end, I would just set the duration for the last slide to be pretty long, like long enough for you to get in here with your mouse and pause the autoplay. But that is how you can set up slide duration here in Canva.